Good morning students, welcome again in online classes arranged by our school, Little Flowers School, Madhupuram, Basti. Students, we are studying chapter number 5, which is fundamental unit of life. In actual, we are revising this chapter. We have completed our syllabus, so we are revising this chapter. In this chapter, we have studied about many cytoplasmic organelles, single membranous, double membranous. I think before today's online video, we have studied about nucleus, in which nucleolus is present. Nucleolus contains what? Genetic material in form of DNA. Now today I am going to discuss with you about a special type of cytoplasmic organelle which is responsible for synthesis and packaging of various types of substances. What is the name of that cytoplasmic organelle? Name is Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. Students, first of all, this Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex was invented by a scientist which name was C. Golgi. कैमिलो गोल्जी उनका नेम था और कैमिलो गोल्जी ने इन्वेंट किया इस साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनेल्स को, तो अपने नाम पे ही उसका नाम रख दिया गोल्जी apparatus. ठीक है, inventor of Golgi apparatus is Camillo Golgi. Students, Golgi apparatus is a single membranous structure present inside the cell. It is also known as single membranous cytoplasmic organelle. Okay, its structure is like this. Some round shaped vesicles are present at both sides, and a thin pipe-like structure is present in between two vesicles. In between two vesicles, some thin pipe-like structures are present which are known as cisternae. Okay. Now, sometimes what happens? Sometimes these vesicles detaches from here. डिटैच हो गया, डिटैच होकर के यह कहाँ आएगा? साइटोप्लाज्म में आएगा, और जब ये साइटोप्लाज्म में आएगा तो सपोज कर लीजिए इसके भीतर एंजाइम्स फील्ड है, तब इसी को हम लाइसोसोम कहेंगे. डू यू रिमेंबर अबाउट लाइसोसोम्स which are present in the body of amoeba, and these lysosomes are known as suicidal bag in case of amoeba, because sometimes these lysosomes used to digest the whole body of amoeba, and because of this reason these lysosomes are also known as what? Suicidal bag. Okay, sometimes if there is a not digestive enzyme inside this vesicle, then this is known as ribosome. Sometimes it is known as vacuole, meaning thereby these vesicle detaches somehow from Golgi apparatus and they form another thing. इसका डायग्राम आप लोग कॉपी में बना लेंगे, आपकी बुक में भी डायग्राम इसका बना हुआ है, तो इसका बहुत बढ़िया कलर्ड डायग्राम बनना चाहिए कॉपी में, ब्लैक एंड वाइट नहीं. ठीक है, तो these Golgi apparatus are responsible for synthesis or manufacturing of various substances. The basic function of Golgi apparatus is to manufacture various types of substances, and packaging of these materials is also responsibility of Golgi apparatus. So these two are basic functions of Golgi apparatus. First thing, synthesis of any material inside the cell, which is very essential for the survival of life of that cell. It is very essential. And second thing, packaging of material is also done by Golgi apparatus. Okay, so students, make a beautiful diagram of this Golgi apparatus in your classwork copy and send it for checking. Now after Golgi apparatus, in this heading of Golgi apparatus, we have also studied about lysosome, because lysosomes contains enzymes, powerful digestive enzymes, which are responsible for digestion of various things in amoeba's body. And after that, cell division is given in your book. Cell division. As you know, students, that due to division in cell, our growth is possible. अगर सेल में डिवीजन ना हो तो हमारी ग्रोथ या किसी प्लांट की ग्रोथ नहीं होगी। एक सेल 1 से 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 8, 8 से 12, 12 से 24, ऐसे ऐसे सेल्स बढ़ती हैं। जब ये सेल्स बढ़ती हैं डिवीजन की वजह से, तभी किसी भी एनिमल की या किसी भी प्लांट की ग्रोथ होती है। ठीक है, तो एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ सेल डिवीजन, growth and development takes place of any living organism, whether it is plant or animal. Okay, this cell division, as written in your book, as given in your book, is of two types. First one is mitosis and second one is meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis, two types of cell division is. I think all students were not attended the online class which I have previously taken, online and offline both. Some students are new, so I want to tell you that in any living organism, whether it is plant or animal, cells are of two types. First type of cell is known as somatic cell. Somatic cell. And second type of cell is known as generative cell. Generative cell. Somatic cell are also known as vegetative cell. Vegetative cell. And they are also known as reproductive cell. Reproductive cell. About these two types of cells and about these two types of cell division, we will study in later online classes, students. Today we have studied about structure and functions of Golgi apparatus, inventor of Golgi apparatus, and an outline of cell division we have studied today. But in next online video, I'll teach you, I'll tell you about various types of cell division in detail. Okay, so your today's task is revise whatever we have studied in today's online class, draw diagram of Golgi apparatus which was invented by Camillo Golgi as written in your book, and write the homework, do the homework provided to you in your class group. Okay, thank you class 9th, thank you.